मैं अंतरात्मा हूँ, हर उस आम इंसान की जो इस धरती पर जन्म लेता है। हर मानव अलग अलग प्रवृत्ति वाला है। हर एक के सोचने समझने की क्षमता एक दूसरे से भिन्न है। मैं एक होते हुए भी सबको पृथक पृथक नजर आती हूँ और हर इंसान अपने आसपास की परिस्थितियों से जूझते हुए किस तरह मुझ में वास करते हुए परमात्मा, जिनका मैं ही अंश हूँ, से जुड़ जाता है। परमपिता परमात्मा तक पहुँचने में शक्ति जो हमारे ही अंदर समाई है हमारी मदद करती है। पर शक्ति तब तक कुछ नहीं कर सकती जब तक इंसान खुद पर विश्वास करते हुए परमात्मा तक पहुँचने की हिम्मत नहीं करता। धरती पर पहुंचकर परमात्मा को पाने के लिए इंसान ने अलग अलग तरीके अपनाए। सारे रास्ते भिन्न होते हुए भी एक मंजिल तक पहुंचाने के साधन बन गए और मनुष्य उन रास्तों को ही मंजिल समझने लगा। आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे इंसान से मिलवाने जा रही हूँ जिसने रास्तों को लक्ष्य नहीं बनाया, ना ही अपने मूल आधार को भूला। सत्य और असत्य के अंतर को समझते हुए अब कैसे अपनी सारी शक्तियों को एकाग्र करते हुए अच्छाई और बुराई में द्वंद्व करता हुआ अपने 9 भावों पर विजय पाकर कैसे अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करता है। यह तो एक निरंतर चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है। आज हम ऐसे एक साधारण इंसान की कहानी देखेंगे जो साधारण होते हुए भी अपने कर्मों के द्वारा कैसे बना साधारण इंसान से महादेव।
Shiva gazed at the orange sky. The clouds hovering above Mansarovar had just parted to reveal the setting sun. Shiva had seen just a few sunrises in his 21 years, but he never missed the sunset. On a normal day, Shiva would have smiled at the memory from a cheerful past. But today, he turned back towards his village without any hint of joy. Looking at his tribe, he thought to himself,
"We fight almost every month with the Prakrits just so that we can exist by the holy lake. We are getting stronger by the year by forming new alliances. We can beat the Prakrits, but not all the mountain tribes together. By moving to Maluha, we can escape this pointless violence and maybe we can live a life of comfort." The Meluhan messenger said that his name was Nandi. Is he the man who will lead me to my destiny? And do I really have the destiny my uncle spoke about?
Shiva continued to look at the setting sun. Then he heard the sound of a conch shell. Prakrits! Stood behind the Prakrit chief, his sword raised high and ready to strike. "Shiva, quick and easy or slow and painful?"
"Sir,"
intervened Nandi before Shiva could speak.
"this is wrong. They are begging for mercy. This is against the rules of the war."
"You don't know the Prakrits. They are brutal. They kill our women and children. They keep attacking us, even if there is nothing to gain. This must end once and for all."
"It is already ending. You are not going to live here anymore. You will soon be in Meluha. How you want to end is up to you. Do you want more of the same or different?" Shiva looked around and walked back to the young soldier he had stabbed. For the first time in his life, Shiva felt pity for a Prakrit. He drew out his sword and ended the young soldier's suffering. After the fight, Shiva addressed his tribe.
"I keep no secrets from you. All of you are aware of the invitation from the foreigner. They fought shoulder to shoulder with us today, and they have earned my trust. I would like to go to Meluha with them. This will change our lives completely. I believe the change will be for the better. Anything will be better than the pointless violence we face every day. I have told you what I want, but the choice to go or not to go is yours. Let the Ganas speak. This time, I follow you.
Takdim, takide takdim, takdim, takide takdim, takdim, tatakide takdim, takdim, ta. Takdim, takat takdim, takdim, takat takdim, takdim, takat takdim, takdim, ta. Takdim, takat takdim, takdim, takat takdim, takdim, tatakide takdim, takdim, ta. Takdim, takat takdim, takdim, takat takdim, takdim, tatakide takdim, takdim, ta. Takdim, 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 dinaka din din dhagena dha, dinaka din din dhagaka din ta, dhagena dha te dha. Takdim, 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 dinaka din din dhagena dha, dinaka din din dhagaka din ta, dhagena dha te dha. Takdim, 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 dinaka din din dhagena dha, dinaka din din dhagaka din ta, dhagena dha te dha. Tadum, tadum,
ताकट तक धिनक धितक धिन
tadum, tadum,
धिनक तकट धिनक धिनक धिन
tadum, tadum,
तदिंगे न धिनक तितक तुन
tadum.